Today we are learning how to work in Python. Before that, let us learn to download Python language. For this, you'll go to Google, write there python.org. This is the official site. It will open. Once it is open, it will show you the website of Python, and here just see downloads. In the downloads, you find there Python 3.9.6. This is the advanced version. This is released very early, just now only it is released. You can check other versions, that is versions for Windows as well as for Mac and other platform also available. So like we are working in Windows, you just click on the Windows. All the releases of Python for Windows are given over there. You can check there. So you choose anyone from here as per your requirement. Like I'm choosing from here this one, window installer 64-bit. Just click over there. When you're clicking, immediately in the down you will find one setup file. It will take little time, and immediately after setup file is come, you click on it, and then it is showing you Python setup. I have already 3.8, so it is showing me upgrade now. Otherwise, if I don't have or you don't have the Python, then you'll go to customization installation. Then choose the options. By default they are selected. Then click on next and then install. So after the installation, it will be, then you'll go to the search box, write there Python. As soon as you're writing, it is showing you Python IDLE. IDLE means Integrated Development Environment, stands for Graphical User Interface. So graphical interface of it will come over there, as you can check. It is coming at the top 3.8.9. This is also called Python shell. This is the version of my Python. So whatever version you are downloading, installing, it will display as it is. And their blinking line is coming. This is called cursor, as all of you know. And these three operators which is coming over there, this is called Python prompt. Now this window which is opened over here, this is called interactive mode. So interactive mode means it gives you the output the manner you are writing. Like if I write here some statement, like I'm writing welcome in the world of suppose this is the statement which I have written. See, as it is coming. Now what is important, that is your print statement which you are writing here. So print means it will print the result the manner you're writing, it will print as it is. I have written there hello or welcome to the in the world of Python using double quotation mark. So double quotation mark basically for the string. Like you want to store your name, you want to store your subject name, something you want to store in the form of letters, characters, then we are using double quote, or single quote can also work there. Along with this, in the interactive mode, if you're not writing print, then also it will give you result. Like you can check, I have used here one calculation. Suppose I am doing this one, it will show. So print will work in the interactive mode as well as without print also you can work here in the Python interactive mode. But using the Python interactive mode, what will happen, it will not save there for future use. If I close it and again if I am opening it, you'll find that whatever work I did just now is nowhere it is vanished, washed out or deleted. So where to work so that your work will remain for future use, we will go to file, we will choose from here new file. Now see, one more window is open there. This is called script mode. In the script mode, what you are doing, you're working here only for saving your file. Now the statements which just now I wrote in the interactive mode, I am writing here also same manner. And next I wrote there print. Next if I write there like in the single quote, as I told you, it takes both single and double quote when you're working in letters. And then I'm writing here calculation, but keep it in your mind, in the script mode print statement is important. Without print statement it will not work. This is done, and at the top it is showing untitled, that means file is not saved yet. So you save your file, while you're saving, it will show you this window and showing you the default path of Python. If you want to change, you can change, but by default it's stored there under the Python version only. Wherever Python is stored, there only your file will be stored. And let's say we are taking here file name. Suppose I am writing there IT and save it. See, the name of the file is coming at the top, and along with this extension is coming. Now next thing is, you're not going to close it, you're going to execute. How to execute or run? Here only run option is given. Shortcut keys come. You click on run mode, and now you check the statements. In the beginning, I wrote there, welcome to Python, same thing is coming, hello computer, then calculation part, and this and that is coming. So in the interactive mode, it gives us the output. So basically interactive mode for the output, as well as simple calculation if you want to do, which you are not required to save, that can be done in the interactive mode. So these are the two modes available in Python. You practice them, learn them how to do, and you'll come to know how to work in Python language. Thank you.